Do you know what is the treatment of interest on loan in the financial statements? Is it an expense that has to be charged to P&L? Obviously, yes. Anyone will say interest on loan is an expense. It should go to P&L. But there are occasions where this interest on loan will not go and sit as expense in the P&L, but rather it will go to balance sheet and it will get added with some assets. Do you know when that will happen? It will happen if an asset is constructed or developed by using a loan fund. How or when it will happen? Let's say a borrower has taken a loan using which he is constructing an asset or building an asset, and if that asset is going to take substantial time to get ready for its intended use, then in this intervening period, whatever interest that is paid will get capitalized and will get added with the respective asset itself. This is the treatment provided in generally accepted accounting practices itself, let it be Ind AS or let it be IFRS. So, for some reason, if you find some interest is not treated as expense but capitalized, it's because of this.